Hey guys, welcome to a new video with PSDBox. Today I have another Photoshop challenge for you. I know there's a lot of days passed since I made the last Photoshop challenge, and just to remind you, Photoshop challenges is just consist of you downloading a photo that I give you and create your own version. Create your own manipulation with it and show me the results using a hashtag on Facebook or on psdbox.com. You will see the hashtag for this Photoshop challenge here on this video, and the link to the photo that I give you is on the video description on YouTube, or if you're watching this from the website, under the video you will find the link. And the image that I give you is the image of this dragon. Let me open it. This is the image that I give you. You can create your own manipulation. It's pretty big. It's 4000 by 3000 pixels, and as you can see, it's pretty good definition. And just download that image of the dragon and create whatever you want with it and upload it on Facebook or your Instagram, and use the hashtag that you see here on the screen to enter the contest automatically. Next week I will choose the winner and show you the best designs that you guys created, and the winner will be able to choose a premium tutorial from my website, which is members.psdbox.com. You can choose any tutorial that you want, and I'm gonna send you a download link so you can download the full tutorial. Just so you can see, well, this is the premium site, the premium area. Here you have a few, on the blog section you can find some free articles. And just to show that I used, this is actually a render of the dragon, and I used this for other premium tutorials. This is the last tutorial that I created with this, well, with this dragon. This is the one that I made. And just a quick tip, you can go on Pinterest and just search for, in this case I searched for dragon girl, and these are the images that I found. You can look for inspiration and create something similar, well, or just get inspiration and create something cool. One other thing that I want to ask you is if you like this challenges, if you want to change something, the format, or if you want me to make something different with these challenges. I thought that just giving you an image and creating and you create something different would be it's a nice format. But if you have any other proposals or any other ideas of how I could make these challenges more interactive, or anything that you can think of, just post a comment on YouTube or on my website, and I'll just change them if I find that you guys have a better idea of how I could make these challenges. One other thing that I want to ask you, if you want me to make a tutorial out of this image, I'm gonna put a poll here on the video, and just you'll see it popping up on the screen. Just choose yes if you want me to make a tutorial out of this, or no if you don't want me to create it, or just give you the PSD file. I'm gonna put the PSD file for free on the web next week. But if you want to have a tutorial out of this, of course it's gonna be a free tutorial because it's really simple, just a few images and some effects. Just click yes on the poll and I'm gonna create a tutorial. As I said, it's gonna be really simple. So that's all for today. I hope you will enjoy this challenge. Don't forget to use the hashtag that you see on the screen, and good luck, and see you next week.